Today I feel like Daniel Boone. Deer tracks. The garden is definitely under assault. What do you do when it's under assault? Oh, look at that. The voles have been in here chewing on this. Darn it. That's a nice sweet potato. We've got the groundhog, we've got moles and voles, and now we've got deer. Since we got deer jumping in here also, I'm gonna go ahead and string a string. I'm gonna hang some more bags, see if that doesn't help. So I've been wondering about a scarecrow for quite a little while.
Go ahead, run away. I'll just catch up with you later.
It's motion activated. It's got flashing lights, and it's kind of loud.
Hey, you look familiar. Maybe it's because I've been hiding under your bed.
Not waterproof, so I don't know how long this is gonna last. And I got a cheap one just to see, but this may do the trick. And this has a pretty good little range.
Go ahead, run away.
So we'll see. Gotta do something. You know, when you're under assault, you gotta do something. I got strings up 6 feet high with bags hanging. They're moving. Now this is what I should have done, and I knew better, but a little bit of Irish Spring soap. My arborist friend swears by Irish Spring soap on young trees. You just kind of soap up the bark, keeps the deer from eating it. And I've done this, it's just been a while. I should have probably had more of this soap out around the garden. But I'm gonna put a little bit in each one of these bags, and that'll keep that scent going. And if you've ever talked to anybody that's ever hunted deer, if they take a shower with Irish Spring soap, good luck getting a deer that day. And I just whittle it with the pocket knife. Anything that falls on the ground here, that's even better.
Oh, did I scare you? Good.
That thing activates pretty good.
You're scared.
Since we kind of got rained out yesterday, we were kind of upset about the critters. That's beautiful. I don't know. Kind of hit or miss, looks like. I can't believe it's starting to rain. I don't want to break it. There's another one down beside it. Oh, come on. Look at that. All's not lost. So we shared a little bit, and we're getting a little bit. I'm gonna have to come out here with a pitchfork and kind of go through this. That great big one, that's tragic. But I shared a little bit, and we got a little bit. I think we'll probably get a couple more out of here. But it's starting to rain. Take care of your... Let's go ahead and pull this mulch back and see if we might not have any. But we got good worms in here. And it seemed like I had potatoes in the center. The ones on the edge were eaten. So I'm kind of thinking the castor oil actually did its job. Well, here's a hill I missed. Here's a hill I didn't even touch. Let's see if the critters touched it. Yeah, there's a hole down here. I'll bet. Okay. Now I do feel, I got one right here. Let's see, what do you think? Leave a comment down below if you think this one's been chewed on. Come on. Come on, baby. Now that's a beautiful potato. Broke the very end off, but that hadn't been bothered at all. That is wonderful. All right, see if we got anything else in this hill. That's just the one side of it. Some more roots going down. Give this a pull, see if we got anything. Okay, see what we got here. Oh, there's another one. See, that one's untouched. That one's untouched. That is beautiful. That is a perfect sweet potato. For these purple ones, that is wonderful. Oh, come on. These grow long and they go down a ways. There you go. That is great. Okay. We didn't get skunked as bad as I thought we were going to get skunked. But we are under attack. We do have critters in here wanting to share more than I want to share with them. Even with the few slips that we put in the new area to get the soil going, we didn't do too bad, even sharing. That may not be the biggest sweet potato harvest I've ever had, but all of these are purple and they're pretty hard to come by in the store, so I'm pretty happy with this. But when you're under assault, you can either roll over and give up, or you can come out and smell the flowers. And that's a turmeric flower. You can do this too. By the way, if you stayed along this long, got the new merch right down here. You help me out and get a hat or a mug, have coffee with me of a morning. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.